back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
So the lights have went down over the racetrack. You've got a pair of 56s on the front row. That's going to be Colton Profit and the car owners. That's going to be Billy Jones outside row number 1. 20 laps are scheduled around Golden Mountain Raceway Park for your open wheel modifieds. Colton Profit going to ease off into turn number 3. But out of turn number 4, he gets in the loud pedal. We go underway when your open wheel modified feature event. Colton Profit jumps out to that early lead. Billy Jones going to try to give chase. Joey Cotterman going to be on the bottom side. He's going to take a peek underneath the number 2 man of Billy Jones. Almost makes contact, throws it in there awfully hard, has to back off the binders. Here comes the 66 of Adam Wright. As Colton Profit quickly opens up about a half a straightaway lead on the rest of the field. Joey Cotterman and Billy Jones going to go at it here out of turn number 4. Adam Wright looking high, looking low. Can't seem to get around your number 3 man of Cotterman. We've got him fanned out nose to tail now. All the way back to your number 4 spot. But Clayton Miller going to step up to the top side. He's going to jump the cushion. Almost makes contact with the outside retaining wall. Looks like he's going to draw a caution. As the caution going to come out on the 15 of Clayton Miller. So we're going to see the one that goes down this time by from your official flag man. Colton Profit going to be on the front of this Dixie double file restart. Billy Jones and Joey Cotterman going to be in your first 4 row. We go back underway in your open wheel modified feature event. Good start for the 29 of Joey Cotterman. Hard contact between Billy Jones and Preacher Man Joey Wittenberg. So now the 29C needs to put something together and try to chase down your race leader of Colton Profit. Billy Jones going to be second. Joey Wittenberg, Adam Wright going to be your top 5. So the first one up on the docket to go a lap down, that's going to be the 3 of Chris Flatt. As that's going to be here on lap number 6. Going to be 7 that time by. Colton Profit still showing the wave. The difference between him and second going to be 1.7 seconds. But Billy Jones starting to put down some laps as he is caught right back up to the backside of the 29C of Joey Cotterman. So we're going to see the halfway sign this time by. 10 down, 10 to go. As the 15 of Clayton Miller going to pull it into the infield pit area. It's going to bring his knot to an early end after the devastating tire change he had to have a little bit earlier. So the caution's going to wave as we got some debris over on the back straightaway right there by the gate. So it's going to be 4 laps remaining in this feature event. Colton Profit has had no company yet. Joey Cotterman looks to have a good restart right here. If he wants to do something, he better do it now.
Guys, Dick said we just got 4 to go. We need to cut it down because we're at midnight.
Colton Profit going to ease off into turn number 3 one more time. Out of turn number 4, we go back underway. Billy Jones going to take a peek underneath the number 2 man of Joey Cotterman. Not going to get it done. He loses the momentum off of turn number 2. As Joey Cotterman has a little bit of breathing room now. Joey Wittenberg taking some stabs. Not going to be able to get it completed. As you'll see the bullhorns in the air this time, it's going to be 2 more laps around Golden Mountain Raceway Park for Colton Profit. So the white flag out that time. Colton Profit down the back straightaway. Into turn number 3. Out of turn 4. Colton Profit takes your open wheel modified feature win all the way back to Crossville, Tennessee. Followed by the 29C of Joey Cotterman and the 56 of Billy Jones. So race fans, that's going to do it for us here tonight at Golden Mountain Raceway Park. My name is Eric Henry, and you guys have a safe trip home. We'll see you guys back here at the next one.